Well, good afternoon, folks off YouTube. My name's Ian. Welcome to me shed. Welcome to me channel. New Year's Day. What am I doing in the shed New Year's Day? Well, to put it bluntly, the missus is cooking the New Year's Day dinner and I've been kicked out. Get out my way. You're under my feet. So I've come in here for a little bit of a tidy up. I'm not really going to get stuck into much because I'll be getting stuck into my dinner shortly. So we might have a cheeky drink just as a aperitif, you know what I mean? Just to get the to lower the blood sugars so you feel hungry. Anyway, we're in here and we're doing just a little bit of a tidy up. So we've got a big untidy bunch of cable there, but we've got it all nicely, neatly coiled up in there because that lot's going to be stripped. This lot though is Ethernet cable, you know, telecoms cable, and I'm okay, it goes in as household. Well, the old Amble yard it does anyway, but I can't just throw that in a sack, it's a bit messy. I don't mind it when it's coiled up like that. Get more in a sack and you can get little coils and stick them in them little holes in the middle. So that's fine, that goes on there. But when you get something like that, nope, not good enough to me. I've got to strip it like that. And you're going to say, well, it's not worth it. Well, that's going to go in as, you know, number 2 singles, but it's neater like that than it is like that. That I'm not stripping, but if it's mangled up and nasty, I'm going to strip it. I'll show you an easy way. We'll show you the easy one first, and that's this grey cable. So when you get your cable, you've always got to do a little bit of a how's it gonna strip? This one's easy. I'm just gonna stand in half, slit the end. Don't need any tools for this. And you just pick it apart, pull your wires out. And this lot should just easily, apart from when you get to a rubber grommet like that. I'll give myself another lead in, see if this works. My leading's not long enough. So you get your leading just long enough, you should be able to peel it off. I've done loads of this and it's been dead easy. This one's proving problematic. Alright, I'll tell you what. I'm going to cut that off. Right. I'm going to get one of these. Adelino da Gama has one of these. They're not worth a candle. Right, it all depends how you set it up and what you're going to do with it. You get the right hole. You stick it in a little. Don't stick it in too far. Just stick it in a little. You press down until it catches. And I think you then squeeze tight. And you grab it. And you've got to pull against that blade. And it works perfectly. So it's like only kind of like right tool for right wire, I guess. As I say, I'm only doing this. There we go. I'm only doing this so that I can neatly put this lot away for a while. And I'll be waiting till copper prices rise up a bit before I weigh in. Right. That was that grey stuff. You see, I've already done some. Chucking it down here, absolutely chucking it down. I'm only doing this till I get the call. Ian, your tea's ready. Right. So look at that rat's nest I've got there. I'm just going to take some. I'm just going to cut some off like that. Yeah. Swing it around. Swing it down. Not that far down. Seems my stand's a little limp. Right. This black stuff's a bit different. It's very tough. So I'll do the same thing. I'm only going to flatten the end of it 2 inches. It's easier for my Stanley knife to just run down there and open it up. Why don't you use your wire stripper? Well, this plastic tends to just crease in and not split. Right, let's pull these out, let's tease these out and see if I can show you the easy way. You pull this and it just pulls apart. But, oh, come on up. Come on up, here, lad. Come on up. There we go. Bit more. You're gonna like this. Look at that. Right there. There's a very tiny nylon filament. Use a pair of pliers because it's tiny, a bit like fishing line. Wrap it around your fingers and pull. It'll cut your fingers. You can get hold of that little bit of nylon cord and you can snap it off just like that. You weren't supposed to do that. And you'll see that little bit hanging down like that. If I don't snap it, I don't like doing this. You should wear gloves doing this. You can just grab hold of it and pull it. And it's like pulling the earth out of Twin and Earth, out of Romex. And it makes stripping this. But don't wrap it too tight around your fingers because you will cut yourself and you get like a worse than a paper cut. And I know about paper cuts because I work in an office. So there you go. Ooh, you put a cable in your mouth. I shall lubricate my mouth. I shall disinfect my mouth with alcohol forthwith. So there we go. Ethernet cable, easily stripped. Well, this type is. There is another type as well, where instead of having that bit of nylon, it's a very, very fine thread of copper. It's either nickel coated copper or copper coloured copper. And you just pull all the plastic off And I'm only doing this to pass time. I'm only doing this to make things smaller and neater. Because I ain't watching telly. Not coughed. Have I coughed by doing this? I don't think I have. Did have a coughing fit last night. I went to bed early last night. I didn't see the new year in. Got Ali Mac doing his Hogmanay live stream. He invited me up, but afraid Ali, I was in bed. I wonder if it's easier to just coil it up. Well, might be easy to just coil it up, and then I can stack it neatly. That didn't work. See, that didn't work. Right, I'm just going to neaten this up a bit. So when you get to something like that, I can't throw that in a sack. That's got to be dealt with. It's all got to be dealt with. I'm going to deal with that until I'm shooting in. So I think yesterday, we did a bit of a triage on the cable. Well, all that cable was stacked up there, but because I'm a guy who's got little space, even though Raphael's now sent me some space and I can put it anywhere I want. Raphael, not Ralph, Raphael. Right, this is going to sound like a bit bad to people. I like things tidy. Good. You're all going, what? Does my ears, did I hear it? Ian likes things tidy. Well, I do. Order. Tidy. Space is paramount. Let me give you an idea what I mean. Well, before I could start any more, I've had the call. Tea's on table shortly. If it ain't going to be in me, it'll be outside in the dog. So, quick one from Ian. I didn't get that much done, to be honest. I'll see you over the weekend. Have a scraptacular New Year. A scraptastic day. Happy New Year, folks. Take care.